Hello, this is Michael Sheen here, and I am so grateful to be able to get the chance to say a huge thank you to all the frontline homelessness and housing support workers that I know are listening to this today. You have been absolutely incredible during this pandemic. Despite all the fear and the uncertainty and the challenges of COVID-19, you have steadfastly continued to provide that essential housing and support that people have so desperately needed. I know that over the past 9 months, you have provided over 4,000 people with emergency accommodation and support to keep them safe from this pandemic. You've helped hundreds of people to move into long-term accommodation and, of course, continue to support thousands more people in refuges, in supported accommodation, and in their own homes. And you've done all this while knowing the risk that COVID poses to the health of yourselves and to your families. But you've kept on going because you care. I know that you care deeply about supporting people who are experiencing homelessness or at risk of homelessness. And thank God you do, because the simple truth is that you have saved lives during this pandemic because of your incredible efforts to keep people safe. Now, I know that things have been really tough. People have worked harder than ever in the most challenging of circumstances. But you have continued to provide fantastic support across the entire length and breadth of Wales. And whilst I know that many of you will be working all over the Christmas period, I really hope that you get a much-deserved break. And please, please know that we are extremely grateful for everything you have done and are doing to ensure that people have a home and the support that they need to keep safe. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. And a very Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Much love.